like them. Jamming on the beat. Sells me out and nothing like them.
Well, hello there. How are you? If you're new here, hey, I'm Deb. Welcome. And today I have the Allure Beauty Box. If you're not familiar with Allure Beauty Box, I believe it's $25. And I think you get 3 full-size items in every box. But I will put the exact stuff right on the screen because I tend to do that. And sometimes I speak with a lisp, so I usually put the prices on the screen anyway. And I'll leave all the links down below, and you can use my code to get this box for cheaper. So let's go from there. And you open it up, it looks like this. And it says, "We know beauty best." Now, if you're comparing the different boxes, Allure, you will get some higher end products and like Ipsy and stuff. I mean, they have like YSL in there and stuff like that. So, I mean, you get the Ipsy brands, but you get the higher brands too. And you get this every month that tells you what's in it and its value, and on the back is, for a gift subscription. I got a phone call the other day, and the voice sounded so familiar. And she said, I won a drawing they had back in March. And the girl left a voicemail. She did not say what channel she was from. She did not say what organization, whatever. She said, we need to get a hold of you so we can get your stuff to you. And she left no, and she was calling from a private number. So I guess I just didn't win that after all, huh? And I recognize the voice, but I can't quite place it. And I think it's a YouTube channel. But anyway, and she said, yeah, our giveaway from back in March. I don't know what I did in March. Then you open it up and it has tissue paper here. And we'll just... Now this month it does look a little more empty than normal, but there are as many products as normal. So I'm just assuming they're just smaller products. So let me go ahead and put my glasses on, and we'll see if we can't get this. Ooh, there's a big old crease across it. They are broken. Interesting. Okay. The first thing I'm getting is Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Serum. And it looks like this. And then when you take it out, I'm assuming this is a full size. It looks like this. Is that the front? Yeah, that's the front. And then, well, that's different. And then, well, that's different. Oh, I see. And it just comes off the top like a deodorant stick. Oh yeah, that feels nice. It's very cooling. That makeup on shouldn't do that. But yeah, it just rolls up like a deodorant stick. But it's very cooling. And this is what it looks like. It's nice. That'd be something to sit beside your bed at night, come in out of the sun. I want to use that. And let's see if I can see how much this is. I'm sure it's full size. It is $36 for 0.35 ounces. Yeah, this is full size, and it's $36. So there, your box is already paid for. So we like that. Okay, let's see what we have next. This is Better Not Younger hair thickening spray, which is the last thing I need. But I will try to get it out of this plastic wrap if I can. Where are things? And I hate showing you my kitchen like that, but you know how it goes. I'm avoiding the light outside, and that's trying to get something accomplished. I went and hung out with Jerry Wayne's mom today. So this is Better Not Younger hair thickening spray, and it's BY, Better Not Younger. I'm assuming it's just smells good. Couldn't tell you what the smell is. Kind of smells like summer. If that explains it for you. Yeah, that's hair thickening spray. And there's nobody in my family that needs that. My sister's hair is twice as thick as mine, and my mom's is right behind her. So, mine's about the thinnest in the family, so what's that tell you? Okay, let's see how much what that is. What's the value of that? And it is that ain't it. That ain't it. That ain't it. Here it is. Better Not Younger Lift Me Up Hair Thickener or Wake Up Call Volumizing Conditioner. And I got the hair thickener. And it's $37 for 6 ounces. And we got 2 ounces. So this is about $12. This is about $12 worth. So that's not bad either. Either, you know how that goes. Okay, let's see what we got next. What we got next? Flanerie. Waterlily PBA. Let's look over here. Let's quit crazy. Okay. Okay, it's Flanerie Pore Defining Exfoliator, Waterlily PHA. And it is, I can't even see that, $52 for, it's driving me nuts, 46 mil. And we got 45 mil. Maybe that's what it is, 45 mil. Yeah, this is full size. And it was what, $45? $52 for this. $52. And I can't even open it. There, I got it. I got it. Oh, that's nice. The sun's going down. And that's what it looks like on your skin. Let's see if I can. The sun is going down. Oh, and it's got like, it's like a gel, and then it's got like an exfoliant in it. You can, like the little sugar crystals or salt crystals or whatever they are. But this is $54 for that. So that's twice what you paid for the box. Just that one item. Okay, then next we have, nope, not this one. Let's not confuse myself. We have YSL BeautyToiche Eclat Blur Primer. And it's $56 $6 for 30 mils, and we got 12 mil. So I'll do the math and put all that on the screen like I usually do. This is what that looks like. Well, that's what that looks like. Let me open it. Let me open it, see what it smells like. I don't smell anything, but it could be where, you know, lingering from COVID last winter, or it could just be doesn't have a smell. Okay, and then the last thing we have is Malin-Goetz Dark Rum. And this is that's what it looks like. And it's a roll-on perfume. And this is $36 for 9 mil. Of course, it's just one of these roller balls that you just put on your pressure points, you know. So I'm going to put it right here. And it does have a slight scent of rum, but it's not. And now this is perfume oil. It's not just, so it's very, you might want to use it sparingly. But let's see what it says. If dark and stormy remind you of summer nights, this perfume with the notes of rum and ripe plum will be a nostalgia hit. It's inspired by that classic sailor's favorite Byroe with a sweet crisp finish that makes the overall effect sparkling, not boozy. And it doesn't smell like icky rum. You know what I mean? That rum that you think you're gonna exfoliate your throat with. So anyway, that's this box, and I'm fighting the sun, so I'm just gonna call it a day. Like, subscribe, do the YouTube stuff. Bye.